the global video game market, which is set to reach over $520 billion. And if I talk about the broader market of animation, gaming, graphics put together, reaching around $1 trillion by 2030. This is not just an economic potential. This is an opportunity for transformation. And this opportunity is at your doorstep and completely has to be led by the youth of this country. The youth of this country, which is almost 150 million young people, 70% of our population, is the single largest asset that this country has. The human potential, the human resource, the human capital that this country has is something that can, to be very honest and fair, go either ways. It can become a resource challenge, or it can become the biggest resource potential that we have in the country. And as Government of Pakistan, one of our largest focus, and I would like to here specifically mention the focus and dedication and direction of the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, come what may, the meeting and briefing on productive employment has to happen fortnightly under the direct leadership of Honorable Prime Minister. Ministry of IT alone this year will dedicate over 5 billion rupees to train young people in different capabilities, low tech, medium tech, high tech, with a lot of focus on game development, UI, UX, graphics, animation, and obviously cybersecurity. I'm very pleased to say that as a ministry, through our department called Ignite, which is the R&D Fund for Innovation, we have allocated a 2.5 billion rupee project for Center of Excellence for Gaming and Animation. 2 centers will be made, one in Karachi, one in Lahore. And the idea is to provide, and I'm very glad to know that Air University is ahead of the curve here and already working on a center. These, I would say, centers would essentially look into training 10,000 young people over the next 5 years, building their R&D capabilities, providing, like the Vice Chancellor also mentioned, that you're making a studio here, state-of-the-art studio, the softwares that are required, the high-end facilities, capabilities, compute power that is required, the international linkages that are required. But the vision is to develop this industry because there's a firm and core belief that this has the potential of becoming a game changer, quite literally.